Think about this for a moment. In your kitchen, sitting quietly in a glass bottle, is one of the most powerful cleaning agents in the world. It doesn't look fancy. It doesn't come with neon labels or bold promises. In fact, it probably cost you less than $1. I'm talking about vinegar, a simple, humble liquid that your grandmother swore by. While we chase after expensive cleaning products filled with harsh chemicals, the truth is, vinegar has been cleaning homes for centuries. And the craziest part? It still works better than most modern products. The ancient secret of vinegar. Vinegar isn't new. The ancient Babylonians used it almost 7,000 years ago. The Romans used it to disinfect, and generations of grandmothers swore by it for cleaning. Tip number 1. Vinegar for sparkling shower heads. Do you notice your shower head losing pressure over time? That's not just age, it's mineral buildup. Here's the trick. Fill a plastic bag with vinegar, tie it around your shower head, and let it soak overnight. In the morning, remove the bag and run the water. Suddenly, your shower pressure is back, like brand new. Tip number 2. Vinegar as a natural fabric softener. Fabric softeners are expensive and often leave chemical residue. Instead, pour half a cup of vinegar into your washing machine during the rinse cycle. It softens clothes, removes odors, and even keeps your washing machine cleaner. No perfumes, no residue, just freshness. Tip number 3. Vinegar for stubborn microwave stains. Ever opened your microwave and been horrified by splatters of food stuck everywhere? Here's a magic trick. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it for 5 minutes. The steam loosens all the grime inside. Simply wipe with a cloth, and your microwave looks brand new. No scrubbing required. Tip number 4. Vinegar as a weed killer. Tired of weeds taking over your garden? Spray full-strength vinegar directly on the weeds. Within a day, they shrivel and die, without the need for toxic chemical sprays. Tip number 5. Vinegar for sparkling windows. Commercial glass cleaners often leave streaks. Instead, mix 2 cups of water, half a cup of vinegar, and a spoon of cornstarch. Spray it on windows, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and watch the streaks vanish. Your glass shines like never before. Tip number 6. Vinegar to remove sticky labels. Ever tried peeling a price sticker off a jar and ended up with sticky residue? Soak the area with vinegar for a few minutes, then wipe. The glue dissolves instantly, leaving your jars and bottles clean and reusable. Tip number 7. Vinegar for clogged drains. Instead of pouring toxic chemicals into your sink, try this. Pour 1/2 cup of baking soda into the drain, followed by 1/2 cup of vinegar. Watch it fizz and bubble. After 15 minutes, flush with boiling water. Tip number 8. Vinegar as a natural air freshener. Forget chemical sprays. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle. Add a few drops of essential oil. Spray it in the air, and it absorbs odors instantly, especially in the kitchen after cooking. Tip number 9. Vinegar for stainless steel shine. Stainless steel appliances often look dull and smudged. Spray vinegar directly on the surface and wipe with a microfiber cloth. It cuts through fingerprints and leaves a brilliant shine, without streaks. The emotional truth. Why vinegar feels different. Here's the beauty of it. Vinegar doesn't just clean, it gives you peace of mind. No hidden chemicals, no artificial scents, just pure, natural cleaning power. When you use vinegar, you're not just cleaning, you're reconnecting with tradition. You're cleaning the way your grandmother did. And somehow, it feels more honest, more trustworthy. Your secret weapon. So there you have it, the magic of vinegar, with cleaning tips you've probably never tried. From unclogging drains to freshening the air, shining your shower head. The next time you think you need a $10 cleaning spray, remember, sometimes the most powerful solutions are also the simplest. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more simple but life-changing tricks. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list and Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,